Good morning student, welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. Dear student, we have started chapter number 10, our nervous system. So open your book, page number 92. Open your book. Page number 92. Okay. In previous lecture, I have explained you what we have to read in this chapter. What are the aims of this chapter? We have to read and learn about what is nervous system, then about the brain, then third, our sense organ, and fourth one is the reflex section. Okay, so we have to read about the nervous system, about the brain, parts of brain, about the nerves, about sense organ and reflex section. So what is nervous system? Question: what is nervous system? It is the most important system of our body because it controls all other system of our body. Okay, so nervous system controls all the other system of our body, so it is the most important system in our body. So nervous system is a network of cells. What is nervous system? Nervous system is a network of nerves and cells that carries messages to and from the brain and spinal cord to various part of the body. To various part of the body. Okay. So our question is, what is nervous system? Nervous system is a network of nerves and cells that carry messages to and from the brain and spinal cord to various parts of the body. नर्वस सिस्टम एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट नेटवर्क है जिसमें नर्व्स एंड सेल्स होती हैं जो क्या करती हैं, मैसेजेस ब्रेन से लेके, ब्रेन से मैसेज ट्रांसमिट होके वो हमारे डिफरेंट वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी में जाते हैं थ्रू स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, है ना. तो नर्वस सिस्टम, व्हाट इज नर्वस सिस्टम? नर्वस सिस्टम इज अ नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्व्स एंड सेल that carry message from the brain and spinal cord to various part of the body, and it is the most important system in our body because it control all the other system of the body. ये हमारे दूसरे सिस्टम को भी कंट्रोल करता है. Okay, so nervous system is the very important system because it control all the other system of the human body. So what is nervous system? Nervous system is a network of nerves and cells that carry messages to and from the brain and spinal cord to various parts of the body. Now pay attention in your book. Aims. In this chapter we will read and learn about the nervous system, the brain, our sense organ and the reflex section. The nervous system controls all the other system of the body. The brain, spinal cord and nerves form the nervous system. You can see this diagram. A nervous system is formed by the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. Okay. So brain, spinal cord and nerves form the nervous system. Okay. Look at this diagram. You can see more clearly in your book. So this is brain, then spinal cord, and nerves. Brain, spinal cord and nerves form our nervous system. है ना, हमारा नर्वस सिस्टम किन चीजों से बना है? ब्रेन, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड एंड नर्व्स. So together they form nervous system. Brain, spinal cord and nerve form the nervous system. Underline this line. The brain, spinal cord and nerve form the nervous system. Now about the brain. Okay. What is brain? The brain is the control center of the human body. It receives information from all the parts through different nerves. So, brain is the control center of the human body and brain is protected by the skull. Okay, brain is protected by the skull and it is the control center of the human body and it receives information from all the other parts through different nerves. है ना, ब्रेन को जो मैसेज है वो different nerves से मिलता है. An adult human brains weight about 1.4 kg and contains millions of tiny cells. एक एडल्ट के जो ह्यूमन ब्रेन का वेट कितना होता है 1.4 kg. Okay, an adult human brain weigh about 1.4 kg and contains millions of tiny cells. So the brain control all the activities that we do, है ना, जितनी भी हम एक्टिविटी करते हैं, playing, eating, singing, all the activities are controlled by our brain. So it is protected from shocks and jerks by a hard bony skull. So brain is protected by our skull. Our brain is made up of 3 different parts. Each part has its own work to do. Now let us talk about brain. First we will talk about brain. So look at this diagram in your book. This is skull. Then it is cerebrum. It is then cerebellum. You can see more clearly in your book. This diagram given at book page number 92. Okay. So our brain is protected by the skull. Okay. Brain is protected by the skull, and an adult human brain weight is 1.4 kg. Okay. एक एडल्ट ह्यूमन ब्रेन का वेट कितना होता है 1.4 kg. ठीक है. एंड आवर ब्रेन इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. हमारा जो ब्रेन है वो 3 डिफरेंट पार्ट से बना है. कौन सा? फर्स्ट इज cerebrum, देन सेकंड इज cerebellum, and third one is medulla. Okay. So remember this point. Our brain is made up of 3 different parts. हमारा जो ब्रेन है वो 3 डिफरेंट पार्ट से बना है. फर्स्ट इज cerebrum, सेकंड cerebellum, and third one is medulla. Okay. Now let us talk about cerebrum. So cerebrum, this is your skull. Okay. Now this is cerebrum. Okay. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Largest part which is the largest part of the brain? Cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Okay, and it controls the working of our sense organ. Our eyes, nose, ears, tongue, all the sense organ. It controls the functions of sense organ. Then it also controls our voice. It also controls our voice. It also helps us to remember things, learn, and intelligence, think, and give reason. So it is the center of intelligence. Okay. So cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It controls our voice. It helps us to think, remember, learn, and it is also the center of intelligence. हम जितना भी याद करते हैं, समझते हैं, रीजन देते हैं, with the help of this cerebrum. Cerebrum हमारे इस काम में मदद करता है. Okay. So let us talk about cerebrum. The largest part of the brain is cerebrum. Underline this line. The largest part of the brain is cerebrum. It is dome-shaped surface, is covered with deep ridges and grooves. It controls the working of our eyes, ears, nose and tongues. Okay? Means it controls our function of sense organs. Okay? It controls the working of our sense organs. It also controls our voice. It is the center of intelligence. It helps us to think, learn, remember and reason out things. So cerebrum. Remember, cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It controls the function of our sense organ. It controls our voice. It helps us to think, learn, remember and reason out the thing. Then second part of the brain is cerebellum. Okay, what is cerebellum? Below the cerebrum is cerebellum. You can more clearly see in this diagram given at book page number 92. So, below the cerebrum is the cerebrum. Cerebrum के नीचे क्या है? Cerebellum. Below the cerebrum there is a cerebellum. It coordinates the action of muscles and make them work together. So it controls the action of muscles, है ना? It coordinates the action of muscles and it also helps us to balance our body and keep us upright in the upright posture. So your cerebellum works when you sit, when you run, move. Okay. So cerebellum, below the cerebrum there is a cerebellum. Cerebrum के नीचे कौन सा पार्ट है? Cerebellum. Okay. It controls the action of muscles. ये आपके muscles के action को control करता है, coordinate करता है. एक और function क्या है? It also helps us to balance our body. है ना? When we run, when we move, so it helps to balance our body. Then medulla. Medulla. First we will read about cerebellum. Below the cerebrum is the cerebellum. It coordinates the action of the muscles and make them work together. It helps us to balance our body, keep us in an upright posture. So your cerebellum works when you run, sit and move. है ना? जब आप चलते हैं, रन करते हैं, बैठते हैं, तो आपका कौन सा ब्रेन का पार्ट वर्क करता है? Cerebellum. Then third one is medulla. Beneath the cerebellum lies the bulb-shaped medulla. आप देख रहे हैं cerebellum के नीचे क्या है? कौन सा पार्ट ब्रेन का दिखाई दे रहा है? Medulla. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. ये जो है आपका ब्रेन का पार्ट, ये किससे कनेक्ट होता है? आपके स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से कनेक्ट होता है. It controls the involuntary actions like the movement of the lungs and the heart. And this part of the brain keeps working even when we sleep. Means आपका जो ये medulla part है, जब आप सोते हैं तब भी ये वर्क करता है. And it controls the involuntary actions like your heartbeat, it control your heartbeat, movement, breathing movement and working of many internal organ. Okay, and it is also called as hindbrain. Okay, means it control automatic function of your body, automatic function of your body. Understand? So brain is made up of three different parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Cerebrum को forebrain भी कहा जाता है. Cerebrum is also known as forebrain. Cerebellum is also known as midbrain. Okay, it is also called as forebrain. Cerebrum, it is also called as forebrain. Cerebellum is also called as midbrain, and medulla oblongata is also called as hindbrain. Okay. I hope you have understand. Once again, I am revising about cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. ये brain का सबसे largest part होता है. Okay. It controls the working of our sense organ. Now we will individually discuss about cerebrum. What is about cerebrum? It is the largest part of the brain. Okay. Second, it is also called as forebrain. It is also called as forebrain. Okay. It is also responsible for थिंकिंग. आप क्या सोचते हैं? मेमोरी, देन इंटेलिजेंस, and your imagination. Okay. And one more function, it also control our voice. It also control our voice. 4 point I am writing here. Control our voice and function of sense organ. So, first part of the brain is cerebrum. First point, it is the largest part of the brain. Second, it also called as forebrain. Okay. Then third, it is also responsible for thinking, memory, intelligence and imagination. Then fourth point, it also control our voice and function of sense organ. I hope you have understand about cerebrum. Once again, remember this 4 point. It is the largest part of the brain. Which is the largest part of the brain? Cerebrum. Okay. Then second, it is also called as forebrain. Third, it is responsible for thinking, memory, learning, intelligence and imagination, and also for reason out the thing. And fourth important point, it also control our voice. Means it also control our speech, vision, hearing. Okay. And function of sense organ. Means it also control our sense organ functions. Okay. Then next is cerebellum. Second part of the brain is cerebellum. Below the cerebrum is the cerebellum. Okay. Cerebrum के नीचे कौन सा part है? Cerebellum. Okay. It controls the working of our muscles. It controls the working of muscles. Then second, helps to balance our body. Okay. Then third, it sends impulses that come from organs to cerebrum, and it is also called as midbrain. Midbrain. Okay. So cerebrum, it controls the working of our muscles. Second point, it helps us to balance our body. It is also called as midbrain. सेरिबेलम हमारे जो मसल्स के वर्किंग है उसको कंट्रोल करता है, साथ में हमारे बैलेंस करता है हमारी बॉडी को, और इसे मिड ब्रेन भी कहा जाता है। सेरिबेलम को मिड ब्रेन भी कहते हैं। ओके, सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट सेरिबेलम। थर्ड पॉइंट इज मेडुला। Medulla, it controls the involuntary action. It controls in our control, like movements of the lungs and the heart. It controls the heartbeat, the breathing movement, work of many internal organs, and it is also called as hindbrain. It is also called as hindbrain. Okay. So read about medulla. Beneath the cerebellum is the bulb-like structure called medulla. है ना, cerebellum के नीचे जो bulb-like structure दिख रहा है वो किसका है? medulla का है. And it connects the brain to the spinal cord. ये किसको connect करता है? ये जो brain से spinal cord को connect करता है. And it controls the involuntary actions like the movement of lungs and the heart, and it is also called as hindbrain. Medulla oblongata is also called as hindbrain. Now let us read about the spinal cord given at book page number 93. Pay attention. The spinal cord is a thick cord of nerve tissue which extend down from the brain stem. Okay. Spinal cord is a thick cord of nerve tissue which extend down from the brain stem, and it is about as thick as one of our finger. Spinal cord picture is given in your book. It protected by our spine. Okay. Backbone is also known as spine. So it is protected by our spine. So spinal cord is protected by our spine. Messages travel from our brain down to the spinal cord to all parts of our body. So जो message होते हैं वो हमारे brain से spinal cord के through different parts of the body में जाते हैं. Incoming messages enter the spinal cord from all parts of our body and then travel up to our brain. है ना, जो हमारे spinal cord है उससे messages जो आते हैं different body parts से वो वापस brain में जाते हैं with the help of spinal cord. So spinal cord is a thick cord of nerve tissue which extend down from the brain stem. So this is spinal cord given in your book. Look at this diagram. है ना, message transmit from the brain to spinal cord through different nerves and go to different various part of the body. Same incoming messages transmit from different various body parts to spinal cord and then it goes to the brain. Now about nerves. Now parts of brain we have discussed about the brain. Now second part is spinal cord. We have discussed, है ना, जो हमारे ये spinal cord है इसका डायग्राम देखेंगे. So nervous system we have talked about the brain. हमने अभी तक ब्रेन का बारे में पढ़ा. हमारा जो नर्वस सिस्टम है ब्रेन, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और नर्व से लेके बना है. तो हमने अभी ब्रेन के बारे में पढ़ा है, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, अब ये आपका स्पाइनल कॉर्ड है. ओके, दिस इज योर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. सो मैसेज ट्रेवल फ्रॉम ब्रेन, है ना. मैसेज कहाँ से ट्रेवल कर रहा है? ब्रेन से डाउन टू स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. अब मैसेज वहाँ से ब्रेन से कहाँ ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से. और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से फिर कहाँ जा रहा है? डिफरेंट वेरियस बॉडी पार्ट्स में जा रहा है विद द हेल्प ऑफ नर्व्स. ओके, सिमिलरली इनकमिंग मैसेज एंटर द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. अब कोई भी मैसेज डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट से आ रहा है तो वो पहले कहाँ जाएगा? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड्स में. फिर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड कहाँ ट्रांसमिट करेगा उसे? ब्रेन. तो ब्रेन से जो मैसेज आता है वो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के थ्रू डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स में जाता है. सिमिलरली जो डिफरेंट वेरियस बॉडी पार्ट से जो मैसेज आते हैं वो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के थ्रू ब्रेन में जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. नाउ अबाउट नर्व्स. About nerves. Nerves are long thread-like structure that carry message from the brain to the other parts of the body. है ना? Nerves are long thread-like structure that carry messages from the brain to other part of the बॉडी. नर्व्स क्या है? एक लॉन्ग थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है जो ब्रेन से मैसेज लेके डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स, अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स में जाते हैं. नर्व्स आर मेड ऑफ बंडल्स ऑफ फाइबर्स. दीज आर लाइक टेलीफोन वायर्स विच लिंक एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी टू द ब्रेन. आपने जैसे टेलीफोन वायर्स देखा है ना, कनेक्टेड रहते हैं एक दूसरे से, वैसे ये नर्व जो है टेलीफोन वायर की तरह होती है हमारी बॉडी में. और ये क्या करती है? ब्रेन से मैसेज लेके डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स तक ये मैसेज ट्रांसमिट करती है. सो नर्व्स आर लॉन्ग थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दैट कैरी मैसेज फ्रॉम द ब्रेन टू द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. नर्व्स क्या है? नर्व्स आर, अंडरलाइन दिस लाइन, नर्व्स आर लॉन्ग थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर like structure that carry messages from the brain to the other part of the body. Okay? तो नर्व्स क्या है? लॉन्ग थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है. जैसे आपने टेलीफोन वायर्स देखे हैं वैसे हमारी बॉडी में नर्व्स होती हैं. वो क्या करती हैं? ब्रेन से मैसेज कैरी करके डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स में वो मैसेज कन्वे करती हैं. नर्व्स आर लॉन्ग थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दैट कैरी मैसेज फ्रॉम द ब्रेन टू द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. नाउ काइंड्स ऑफ नर्व्स. देयर आर 3 काइंड्स ऑफ नर्व्स. फर्स्ट इज, so remember about nerves. Nerves are long thread like structure that carry messages from the brain to the other part of the body. Underline this line in your book. Now there are 3 kinds of sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerve. Kinds of nerves. Kinds of nerves. Sensory nerves, second motor nerve, and third one is mixed nerve. Okay, so there are, pay attention in your book, kinds of nerves. Kinds of nerves, pay attention in your book, given at book page number 93. Kinds of nerves, there are three kinds of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerve. Now let us talk about sensory nerves. These nerves bring messages from the sense organ to the brain or spinal cord. Means these nerves bring message from the sense organ. जो आपके सेंस ऑर्गन है वो मैसेज करते हैं किसको? टू द ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. सो दिस नर्व कैरी मैसेज फ्रॉम द सेंस ऑर्गन टू द ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. सेंसरी, ओके, रिमेंबर सेंसरी वर्ड आया वैसे ही आपको ध्यान आना चाहिए कि ये नर्व कौन सी होगी? जो सेंस ऑर्गन से मैसेज कैरी करती है. ठीक है, दिस नर्व्स ब्रिंग मैसेजेस फ्रॉम सेंस ऑर्गन to the brain or spinal cord. Means carry message from the sense organ to the brain or spinal cord. Okay, मीन्स ऐसी नर्व्स जो आपके सेंस ऑर्गन से मैसेज कैरी करती है उन्हें कौन सी नर्व कहा जाता है? सेंसरी नर्व्स. सेंसरी नर्व्स कैरी मैसेज फ्रॉम सेंस ऑर्गन टू द brain or spinal cord. Then about motor nerves. These nerves carry orders from the brain or spinal cord to muscles or gland. Means these nerves order to the brain or spinal cord to muscle or gland. ये ऐसी नर्व है जो किसको मैसेज करती है? आपके ग्लैंड्स को या फिर आपके मसल्स को मैसेज करती है. So this nerves orders or it take response from the brain or spinal cord. Okay. Now third nerve is mixed nerve. Mixed nerve means these nerves carry message to the brain as well as bring order from the brain. ये ऐसी नर्व है जो दोनों काम करती है ना? मैसेज कैरी भी करती है, साथ में वो रिस्पॉन्स भी करती है ना? तो ये दोनों मिक्स नर्व में क्या होता है? सेंसरी और मोटर नर्व्स दोनों का काम होता है. सो दिस नर्व कैरी मैसेज टू द ब्रेन as well as bring orders from the brain. Okay, so there are three kinds of nerve: sensory nerve, motor nerve and mixed nerve. तीन प्रकार की नर्व्स होती है: sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerve. Sensory nerves किस कहते हैं? Sensory nerves carry message from the sense organ to the brain or spinal cord. ठीक है, sensory nerve carry message from the sense organ. There are 5 sense organ: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. So they carry message from the sense organ to the brain or spinal cord. Then motor nerve. Motor nerves give response from the brain or order to the muscle or gland. मतलब ये क्या करती हैं? रिस्पॉन्स करती हैं. ऐसी नर्व जो ब्रेन से रिस्पॉन्स भेजा जाता है उसको बताती हैं. दिस नर्व ऑर्डर और रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. एंड लास्ट वन इज मिक्स्ड नर्व. मीन्स इट कैरी बोथ सेंसरी एंड मोटर इंफॉर्मेशन. मतलब आपको ये दोनों फंक्शन इस नर्व में दिखाई देंगे. मीन्स दिस नर्व कैरी मैसेज to the brain as well as give order from the brain. Okay, this nerve carry message to the brain as well as order from the brain. So once again I am revising about there are 3 kinds of nerves: sensory nerve, motor nerve and mixed nerve. Okay, sensory nerve means that carry message from the sense organ to the brain or spinal cord. There are 3 types of nerve: sensory nerve. Sensory nerve means that carries message from the sense organ to the brain or spinal cord. Second, motor nerve. Motor nerve means this nerve carry order or response from the brain or spinal cord to muscle or gland. And last one is the mixed nerve. Mixed nerve means this nerves carry message to the brain or as well as order from the brain. मतलब ये दोनों काम करती हैं, मैसेज भी कन्वे करती है, साथ में वो ऑर्डर भी करती हैं. So there are 3 kinds of nerves: sensory nerve, motor nerve and mixed nerve. So dear student, I hope you have understand about kinds of nerve. So you have to read this chapter till kinds of nerve. आपको ये चैप्टर यहाँ तक रीड करना है. कहाँ तक? मिक्स्ड नर्व तक. And if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay? I hope everyone had understand. So read this chapter once again. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.